Alright, so we've got a really interesting book for review today. This is the World's Popular Encyclopedia. This is as you can tell by the cover, it is very, very antique. Really solid hardcover book. It's in very good quality, so you open it up, and of course it's an encyclopedia. And there's so much information here. It's basically so it's kind of like a dictionary, except it's a lot more specific, where it references a lot of other material rather than just providing the definition of the word. So if I go to, so instead of just being a dictionary definition of Spain, there's a whole section dedicated to the country of Spain, where it gives you everything you might need to know about it. And it even gives you a map like that. Yeah, it's got people, places, things, stock. Yeah, you can. So this specific encyclopedia, this is SEA through TRA words. So if you're looking for, like, let's see, maybe you wanted to look up trains, you could go in here, go way to the back. I'm looking for TRA. Where we got tractors, trains, armored. Yeah, trade dollar, and then, yeah, armored trains here. And it's a pretty thick book here. We've got the whole collection, actually, here on our back shelf. Yeah, so if you're ever bored on a rainy day, this would be the perfect thing to read through. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's a lot of places. It's more places than people. At least that I see. Oh, and there's a big section about soldiers' bonuses. So if there's a reference to, like, a major world event, it usually goes into more detail. So there's longer entries and there's shorter entries. And you got spiders. So yeah, this is the World's Popular Encyclopedia. So if you want to know about something, it'd be in here. So this is a small part of a much larger collection. Yeah, if you can find these, they're interesting. I haven't seen a whole lot of stuff I haven't seen any whole lot of encyclopedias like this, especially from the time that this looks like it's dated from. It looks like it's probably early 1900s. The pages are in really good shape, so yeah. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment. Tell us about any interesting books you've read or things that you've seen as far as books go. Alright, thanks for watching.